You can always buy with confidence knowing you will be backed by a limited lifetime powertrain warranty, free car washes for life, free loaners, and a 5-day vehicle exchange policy. Live, give the Larson difference.
Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Q3. The new Audi Q3 challenges the perception of what a crossover is by embodying everything a crossover should be. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, power lift gate, power passenger seat, stability control, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
There are plenty of reasons that Audi certified inspection is the industry's most rigorous. No other manufacturer puts their certified cars through a tougher examination. All certified cars are also backed by first-rate service and support. Audi certified cars, performance, and peace of mind.